Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a winter cardinal. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm going to make a circle like this. And then inside of it, I'm going to add a small circle. And then you just want to color in the rest of it right there. Next, I want to make the beak. So the beak is going to start right here by the eye. You don't want the beak to touch the eye. You want to leave a little bit of space. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this. Then right here where the line ends, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up above the eye, and then it's going to come down like this for the top of the beak. Then down here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up like this for the bottom. Now when drawing the head, I don't like to start right here at the very top of the beak. I like to start right about here. So you want to draw a line that's going to curve up like this for the top of the head. And then I'm going to come down here, but I'm going to make these little zigzag lines. I want to make some of these like some different sizes and everything as I come down here. And I want to make it go all the way past the eye and the beak. Now for the wings. So there's lots of different ways that you guys can draw a wing on your cardinal. I'm just going to show you a really simple way. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a nice long oval, just like this, that's going to come all the way up to here. And you can see that the oval's kind of at an angle. Now for the feathers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm just going to bring them straight up like this. Then right here I'm going to add another little line that curves, and then I'm going to go up. And then I'm going to do that one more time like this. Now, starting here, I want to make the belly of the bird. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's just going to curve right over here to the wings. Now, when making the toes of the bird, you can either leave them off or you can draw them. I'm just going to put a couple toes down here. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down and then come back up for one of the toes. And then I'm going to draw another one right here. They kind of look almost like a little jelly bean shape. You can do 2 toes, 3 toes, whatever. I'll just put 3 on here. Just like that. Now, I want to make it look like he's sitting on a branch. So I want to keep the branch above the feet. So I'm actually going to start right here by the body. And I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go all the way out to here. And then I'm going to jump over the cardinal, and I'm going to kind of line it up and just draw the rest of the branch over here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then I'm just going to kind of swing it back here. Then right here, I'm going to draw the bottom of the branch, and I want to make sure that I'm going underneath the feet. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go under here. I'm going to bring it all the way back to here. Then finally I'm going to add the tail, and I want the tail to look like it's kind of behind the branch. So I'm just going to start right here and just draw a line that goes down. And then I'm going to make some little zigzag lines that go over to here. And then I'm just going to bring it up like this. Now, right around the cardinal's face, I want to give him that little black marking that he has. So it's just going to start right above the beak, and then it's just going to go right around the eye, and then down, and then it's just going to kind of connect over here underneath the beak. Now, on top of this branch, I want it to look like there's some snow. So I'm just going to make some little wavy lines on top of the branch in just a few different spots, just to help make it look like there is some snow sitting on the branches. Now the final thing I want to do is I want to add a little bit of detail to the branches. So to give it kind of like some texture, I'm just going to make some long broken lines like this. And this is just going to make it look like tree bark. When I make these lines, I want to make sure that, I'm leaving spaces in different spots. You can make them curvy and everything. You can curl some of them to make it look like there are little knots and stuff in the wood. And I'm just going to kind of draw these all over the place. And just kind of put them everywhere. And just kind of follow the shape of the branch. And there you go. There is your drawing of a winter cardinal. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.